Hey everyone, today we're going to be making an easy chicken marsala. I have 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thigh, 12 ounces of whole mushroom, 5 diced garlic cloves, 1 diced shallot, 3 tablespoons of salted butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of Marsala wine, and half a cup of flour. This feeds approximately about 4 people. So first I'm going to wash and cut the mushrooms, slice the mushrooms. I do this, you can buy pre-sliced mushrooms, but I like my mushroom slices a little bit thicker. You're going to mix together the flour and the salt and pepper. You're going to lightly coat each side of the chicken thighs. Over a medium heat, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Want to lightly brown the chicken thighs. It's approximately about 4 minutes each side. Medium heat. My dial is 1 to 10. I'm at in between about 5.5. You don't need to cook the chicken all the way through because you will be cooking it again in the Marsala wine. You're going to want to remove it when it's browned on both sides. Set it aside. In the same pan, and that last tablespoon of butter, you're going to want to brown the mushroom slices. Again, medium heat. Once the mushrooms are brown, you're going to want to add the diced garlic and shallots. Cook them in for about a minute. The shallots will lighten up a little, soften up a little. Then you're going to add the Marsala wine and the chicken broth. Bring it to a simmer. Once it's simmering, you can add your chicken back to the mix. Cover and simmer for about 10 minutes. Remove the lid and allow the sauce to reduce. This could be anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. The longer, obviously, the thicker the sauce. So I plated it with some spinach fettuccine. Added a little sauce to the top, a little parsley, and some Parmesan cheese. But use any pasta, or rice, or potatoes, anything. It's delicious. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.